Alright guys, so this is going to be a really simple video. I've been asked this a handful of times or something like that, but how I jack up my Gen 6 Camaro. I've seen a lot of questions on this on the forum and also been messaged and commented on my YouTube videos on how I jack up this car. So I'm going to show you really quick on how I personally do it. So first let's go over what I have to get these up. Okay, so first thing you'll notice, I have two jacks. They're both from Harbor Freight. I have the Daytona here. And then I have their other, basic low profile 3-ton. They're both 3 tons. My race ramps, those are spectacular. I love those. And then underneath here, you see I have the little pinch weld. That's me. I have a little pinch weld on all 4 corners. These are just like the generic ones from Amazon. I'm not sure how much they are, but I'll post the price once I look them up. These are not from the ZL1 add-ons. And then what I also use, last thing, is I use hockey pucks. Literally hockey pucks. You can get it for like 2 for $10 or something like that on Amazon, and those help out a lot. And if you don't have those pinch weld things, another solution I have or was using was buying another slotted like hockey puck type thing, and then I would use that on top of one another. But I don't use these anymore because of the little pinch weld things. And so that's it for how I get it set up. Okay, so obviously this is going to be really easy if there's 2 people. If you have someone to help you out, this is going to go by really quick. If you're doing it by yourself, it's just going to be a little more time consuming. All I do is literally just put each jack under, pump a few pumps on each side at a time. So a few pumps, walk to the other side, a few pumps, and I just keep doing that until I'm ready to slide my race ramps under. So it's really not. And also I have these. I threw one on the back wheel over there just for safety, but now it's fully sitting on the race ramps. And then I just go ahead and do that with the rears, and then that's it. That's how I get the car up on all 4s. It's really easy. So as you see, it's up on all 4s. I'm sorry I didn't film while I was actually pumping it up. I don't have a lot of space on the memory card on my phone right now. I haven't switched them out yet, but it's really easy, and that's how you can get to everything on the bottom. I've changed out the exhaust with this. I've done my transmission and differential fluid. You only need the front to do the oil change, and it's very easy, convenient. These race ramps hold 1,500 pounds per corner. So there's 4 of them, and so it holds the car up no problem, and that's it. It's really easy.